नमस्कार, मेजर अरकाना के इस कार्ड में मैं आपको मैजिशियन कार्ड के बारे में बताऊंगी। आज हम बात करेंगे मेजर अरकाना के कार्ड के बारे में। मेजर अरकाना का फर्स्ट कार्ड है मैजिशियन कार्ड। इससे पहले ज़ीरो कार्ड फूल के बारे में मैंने बात की है। मैजिशियन के बारे में जानते हैं। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस। इन मोस्ट डेक्स द मैजिशियन इज स्टार्टिंग स्ट्रेट अहेड, देयर concentration on the river. They are often standing before or holding the four element of the minor arcana: wands, swords, cups, and pentacles. In the glided, these items are suspended in the air, whilst in other deck they are on the ground or on a table. The magician has mastered these elements through skill and concentration. The magician often has their hand pointed towards the sky or is surrounded by a circle of light. This represents the connection between the heaven and life. One is a number of creative potential, power, and energy. It represents the beginning of all the things. The main message of this card is that you have everything you need to handle a specific task within you already. Any skill, ability, or a talented required to bring a task or core to completion already exist as a result of prior hard work, concentration, and willpower. When this card appears in a spread, it is typically means that the querent needs to act on any venture or plan as soon as possible. They requires confidence, but they are already heading in the right direction. This particular card often appears in a spread for querents who are engaged in a creative arts. It pushes them to communicate clearly in the interest of self promotion and to ask for what they need. The magician is unique entity with the skill and the gift and set them apart from others. Remind your querent that this card appears to those who have similar traits, telling them that they do not want to start chasing their dreams as they already have everything they need to make those dreams a reality. The High Priestess. This number card is two card in the Major Arcana. In the most deck, the High Priestess is depicted as a beautiful woman adorned in the flowing or ethereal attire. She typically sits, floats, or dances between two pillars, representing the duality of life. In the glider deck, a crescent moon appears in the background, and there are stars in her air. These images indicate higher knowledge and intuition. Even in the deck, where she is staring straight ahead, the viewer gets the impression that she is looking beyond them into unknown. Two is the number of duality. It represents opposing forces and depending on the spread of a potential that is recognized but not yet explored. Even in the deck where she is staring straight ahead, the viewer get impression that she is looking behind them into the unknown. Two is the number of duality. It represents opposing forces and depending on the spread of potential that is recognized but not yet explored. The High Priestess is a card of mystery, secret, and magic. She appears to a querent who need to examine their own situation in a more depth, as there are a hidden depth that, once explored, could provide insight. In some cases, it means that a secret may be revealed soon, with very positive outcomes for the querent. Caution the querent against overthinking the situation, instead struggling they rely on their intuition and trust their inner voice.